This aircraft has been silent for years, abandoned, forgotten, left to time and the elements. Most people look at it and see scrap metal and broken dreams. But we see something different. We see potential, waiting for a second chance to return to the sky. Before anything begins, safety comes first. Fuel leaks are carefully inspected. Structural weaknesses are identified. Every possible risk is assessed with discipline and control. Every inch of damage is documented, photographed, and recorded in detail. Because restoration does not begin with tools, it begins with understanding. And now, the salvage operation begins. Heavy equipment moves into position. Cables tighten. Pressure builds. With absolute precision, the aircraft is slowly lifted, marking the first step in bringing it back to life. To reduce weight and ensure safe transport, major components are carefully removed. The wings are detached first, precision tools guiding every movement, because even a single misstep can cause further damage. Next, the engines are separated from the frame, lowered slowly with calculated control. Each component is immediately inspected, searched for hidden fractures, stress marks, or corrosion beneath the surface. Transportation is not simple. It requires planning, balance, and structural awareness at every stage. Finally, the aircraft arrives at the restoration hangar. Inside the workshop, complete disassembly begins. Panels are removed, systems are exposed, electrical connections are safely disconnected. This is where the real work begins, not just taking it apart, but preparing to rebuild it stronger than before. Beneath the faded paint, corrosion slowly reveals itself, silent damage hidden for years. Industrial cleaning begins, removing layers of dirt, grime, and long-settled decay. Rust is stripped away layer by layer until bare metal tells the truth. Now the internal structure stands fully exposed. Nothing is hidden, nothing is assumed. Because in aviation, even the smallest crack can compromise safety. Damaged panels are carefully marked and precisely cut away, removing weakness without disturbing strength. In their place, fresh aircraft-grade aluminum is shaped and fitted, restoring the frame to exact specifications. Then comes riveting, each fastener installed with measured force, locking strength back into the structure. Integrity is not repaired by chance. It is rebuilt with precision. Slowly, the fuselage regains its original form, reshaped with careful precision. Wing structures are reinforced, restoring the strength required for flight. Control surfaces are tested, moving smoothly and responding perfectly. Then, the engine teardown begins, piece by piece. Every component is cleaned, inspected, and measured against strict tolerances. There is no room for error. Every detail matters. Reassembly demands patience. Torque settings are applied with exact accuracy. Bolt by bolt, the engine comes back to life. And once complete, the heart of the aircraft stands ready, prepared to power the sky once again.
Cockpit wiring is carefully restored, every connection secured with precision and care. One by one, the avionics systems power back to life, screens illuminating the cockpit once again. Hydraulic systems are pressure tested under strict control, ensuring flawless response in every movement. Fuel lines are inspected for proper flow, checked thoroughly for even the smallest leak. A protective primer is applied, sealing and shielding the aircraft's skin from future corrosion. Then comes fresh paint, not just color, but identity restored. Markings and fine details complete the transformation, bringing character back to the machine. Now, with systems revived and structure renewed, final reassembly begins, the aircraft coming together as one complete body once again.
The wings are carefully mounted back into position, aligned with absolute precision. Engines are secured to the frame, locked firmly into place. Every bolt is tightened to exact specification, no guesswork, no compromise. A complete inspection follows, confirming structural and mechanical readiness. Now, ground testing procedures begin. For the first time since restoration, the engine starts. Power builds. Sound returns. All gauges respond exactly as expected, each reading steady and precise. Slowly, the aircraft begins its taxi test, rolling forward under its own power once again. Steering and braking systems respond flawlessly, smooth, controlled, and precise. Final checks are completed. Clearance is given. This is the defining moment. Throttle forward. Power surges through the engines. Speed builds rapidly down the runway, the aircraft gaining momentum with every second. Then, the nose gently lifts. For a brief moment, everything feels suspended in time. And suddenly, the wheels leave the ground. After years of silence, after years of waiting, it flies again. Engineering made this possible. But not engineering alone. Patience guided every decision. Discipline shaped every repair. Every detail mattered. Every measurement counted. From twisted metal came precision. From destruction came restoration. From silence and wreckage rose strength, purpose, and wings.